In final game 1 of the Chessable Masters 2025, two giants collided once again: Magnus, the maestro of modern chess, and Hikaru, the speed demon and tactical wizard, with Magnus playing white and Hikaru defending with black. This wasn't just a game, it was a battle of styles. Magnus wastes no time going off script. The pawn is pushed early. He's looking for gap. Typical Magnus, recycling the bishop to keep pressure while improving coordination. Hikaru stays flexible. A central war breaks out. Magnus plays e4 and castles long. He's going for it. Hikaru replies with solid counterplay. The queens are active, the king's exposed. And just like that, Magnus sacrifices material for long-term activity. White's pressure grows. Hikaru tries to find safety for his king, but Magnus keeps piling on. Every piece of Magnus finds purpose. Look at that knight on e4, it's a monster. Hikaru counterattacks on the king's side, but it's risky, and time is running low. Now both sides are pushing pawns opposite wing attacks. It's sharp, it's dangerous. Magnus calmly scoops up pawns and maintains dominance. Hikaru is fighting back, but he's being squeezed. Both players are deep in time travel, but Magnus remains surgical, methodical. And this is the final blow. The knight on c5 seals the deal. No more counterplay. Hikaru resigns. Magnus shows once again why he's the king of calm pressure. Hikaru played boldly, but Magnus had all the answers. A clean positional grind, finished with surgical precision. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite moment, and follow for more legendary battles from the Champions Chess Tour.